Good morning, children. Hoping all of you are fine and safe. Dear students, in the previous class, we have completed exercise 6C of chapter 6 simultaneous linear equation. Now, today we are going to start exercise 6D. Let us see. First question is solve 9 by x minus 4 by y is equal to 8, and next equation is 13 by x plus 7 by y is equal to 101. Let us see how we'll solve this equation. We will assume let 1 by x be a and 1 by y be b. So here if we will multiply 9 into 1 by x, that is equal to 9 by x. So if we will assume that 1 by x, this value should be a. So how we will write down 9a for first equation, 9a minus 4b equals to 8. Similarly, 13a plus 7b equals to 101. This is our first equation, this is our second equation. Now we will take it the help of elimination method. For that we have to eliminate one term. So here in the first equation we will multiply it by 7, and in second equation we will multiply it by 4. Let us multiply. 9 7 ja 63a minus 7 4 ja 28b equals to 8 7 ja 56. Now second equation by 4. 13 4 ja 52a plus 7 4 ja 28b equals to 404. Now 28b and 28b both side minus plus, it will be cancelled out. Now 63 plus 52a is equal to 115a equals to, by adding 404 plus 56 is equal to 460. So a is equal to 460 by 115. So 115 4 ja 460. So a is equal to 4. Now putting the value of a in equation 1. Let us put this value in this equation. 9a minus 4b equals to 8. So 9 into 4 minus 4b equals to 8. So 9 4 is 36 minus 4b equals to 8. So 36 minus 8, we will transpose this 8 to this side. It will be minus 8, and this to the right hand side. It will be plus 4b. So 36 minus 8 is equal to 28 equals to 4b. So b is equal to 28 by 4. So 4 7 are 28. So b is equal to 7. Now here we will say we have assumed that a is equal to 1 by x is equal to, what is the value of a here? We got it, a is equal to 4. So we will write down a is equal to, we have assumed 1 by x is equal to a, which is equal to 4. So we will make it a cross multiplication. X into 4, 4x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 4. Similarly, b, we have assumed b is equal to 1 by y is equal to, what is the value of b? Here b is equal to 7. So by making a cross multiplication, 7y is equal to 1. So y is equal to 1 by 7. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 4 and y is equal to 1 by 7. This is our answer, dear. Now let us see the next question. Solve 4x plus 6 by y equals to 15 and 3x minus 4 by y equals to 7. Hence find a if y is equal to ax minus 2. This type of questions will also be given to you. So let us see how we'll solve this. First we'll write down 4x plus 6 by y is equal to 15 and 3x minus 4 by y is equal to 7. So dear students, again we will assume let 1 by y be a. So how we will write down 4x plus 6a is equal to 15. This is our first equation, and 3x minus 4a equals to 7. This is our second equation. Now what we will do to equalize their terms, we will multiply first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. Let us see. 4 2 ja 8x plus 12a equals to 15 2 ja 30. Similarly, 3 3s are 9x minus 12a equals to 21. So plus 12a and minus 12a both will cancel out. So what it will be? 8x plus 9x is equal to 17x is equal to 21 plus 30, that is equal to 51. So x is equal to 51 by 17. So 17 3s are 51. So x is equal to 3. Now putting the value of x in equation 1, let us put it the value of x in this equation. 4x plus 6a equals to 15. So 4 into 3 plus 6a equals to 15. So 12, 4 3s are 12 plus 6a is equal to 15. So 6a is equal to 15 minus 12, so 6a is equal to 3, so a is equal to 3 by 6, which is equal to 1 by 2. So the value is 1, a is equal to 1 by 2. And what we have assumed, since a is equal to 1 by y, we have already assumed initially, and whose value is 1 by 2. So by making a cross multiplication, y 1 ja y, 2 1 ja 2, y is equal to 2. Now y, we have to find out this value, the value of a in this a. Here equation is given, y is equal to ax minus 2. So the value of y is 2 equals to a into 3. The value of x is what? 3. So minus 2. So 2 is equal to 3a minus 2. So this 2 will transpose to the left hand side. 2 plus 2 is equal to 3a. So 4 is equal to 3a. So a is equal to 4 by 3. This is our answer. So dear students, x is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, and a is equal to 4 by 3. This will be our answer. Let us see the next equation solve. First part is question number 3, first part. 20 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equal to 7. And next equation is 8 upon x minus y minus 15 upon x plus y is equal to 5. So let us see. 20 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equal to 7. And 15 minus 15 upon, first we will arrange them because here x plus y, so we will write down this term first. Minus 15 by x plus y plus 8 by x minus y is equal to 5. Now we will assume, let 1 by x plus y be a and 1 by x minus y be b. So we will write down here 20a plus 3b equals to 7. Similarly, minus 15a plus 8b equals to 5. This is our first equation, this is our second equation. To equalize their term, we will multiply first equation by 3 and second equation by 4. Let us see. 23 is 60a plus 3 3 is 9b equals to 7 3 is 21. Similarly, minus 15 into 4 60a plus 8 4 is 32b equals to 5 4 is 20. Now plus 60a minus 60a will cancel out. So 32 plus 9, it will be 41. B equals to 41. 20 plus 21 is equal to 41. So B is equal to 41 by 41, which is equal to B equals to 1. Now putting the value of B in equation 1, let us put it this value in this equation. 20a plus 3b equals to 7. So 20a plus 3 into 1 equals to 7. So 20a plus 3 1 is 3 equals to 7. So 20a is equal to 7 minus 3, so 20a equals to 4. So a is equal to 4 by 20, which is equal to 1 by 5. Now a equals to, as we have assumed, a is equal to 1 by x plus y, which is equal to 1 by 5. We got it. So let us, and b, we have assumed that b is equal to 1 by x minus y is equal to 1. So here we will write down 1 by x plus y is equal to 1 by 5 by making a cross multiplication, x plus y into 1, x plus y, 5 1 is 5. And this side x minus y into 1, x minus y is equal to 1. So x plus y equals to 5, x minus y is equal to 1. This is our third equation, this is our fourth equation. Plus y minus y will cancel out. So x plus x, 2x is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. So x is equal to 6 by 2, which is equal to 3. So x is equal to 3. Now putting the value of x in equation 3, in this equation, x plus y is equal to 5. So 3 plus y is equal to 5. So y is equal to 5 minus 3. So y is equal to 2. Therefore students, x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 will be our answer. Let us see the next question. Question number 4. Solve x plus y is equal to 2xy, x minus y equals to 6xy. Dear students, let us divide both sides by xy. So here x by xy plus y by xy equals to 2x by xy. By dividing here we will get it 1 by y plus 1 by x equals to 2. xy will cancel out. This will be our first equation. Similarly, in second equation, x by xy minus y by xy equals to 6xy by 6xy. So xy will cancel out, y will cancel out, and here x will cancel out. So 1 by y minus 1 by x equals to 6. This is our second equation. So let us see 1 by y plus 1 by x equals to 2. This is our first equation. 1 by y minus 1 by x equals to 6. This is our second equation. Now you will see 1 by x plus 1 by x minus 1 by x both will cancel out. So here 1 by y plus 1 by y is equal to 6 plus 2 equals to 8. So we'll take it LCM. Y will be the LCM. 1 plus 1 equals to 8. So 2 by y equals to 8. Therefore we'll make it a cross multiplication. 8y equals to 2. So y is equal to 2 by 8, which is equal to 1 by 4. So y is equal to 1 by 4. Again, now by putting the value of y in equation 1, so let us put it their value. 1 by y plus 1 by x equals to 2. This is our first equation. So let us put it their value of y. 1 into 1, this 4 will go to the numerator. Will multiply by numerator, plus 1 by x is equal to 2. So 4 1 ja 4 plus 1 by x is equals to 2. So 1 by x is equal to 2 minus 4. So 1 by x is equal to minus 2. By making a cross multiplication, minus 2x equals to 1. So x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Therefore student, x is equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 by 4. This will be our answer. Next question is solve a by x minus b by y equals to 0 and ab square upon x plus a square b by y equals to a square plus b square. So this is our first equation, this is our second equation. By multiplying first equation by a square, let us say by multiplying equation 1 by a square, we will get it here. Let us multiply a by x minus b by y equals to 0. This is our first equation. We are multiplying it by a square. So it will be a cube by x minus a square b by y equals to 0. And this side ab square upon x plus a square b by y is equal to a square plus b square. So here minus a square by a square into b by y, and here plus a square b by y, both will cancel out. So here it will be a square by x plus a b square upon x is equal to a square plus b square. Now we'll take it its LCM. X will be the LCM. So here a square plus a b square is equal to a square plus b square. Now we'll take it a as a common here. So here inside the bracket a square will be remaining plus b square upon x is equal to a square plus b square. Now we'll make it a cross multiplication, then it will be a square plus b square x is equal to a into a square plus b square. So x is equal to a into a square plus b square upon a square plus b square. A square plus b square, both sides it will be cancelled out. Therefore x is equal to a. Now putting the value of a in equation 1. So a by x minus b by y equals to 0. So a, what is the value of a? Here a by a, the value of x is a. So a by a minus b by y equals to 0. A will cancel out. 1 minus b by y equals to 0. So b by y, 1 minus 0 is equal to b by y. So 1 is equal to b by y. By making a cross multiplication, y is equal to b. So therefore student, x is equal to a and y is equal to b. This will be our answer. So children, today this much only. We will see next in the next class. Thank you and take care.